What's up, YouTube? My name is Richard Wynn, and you're watching Southern Spirit for Life. We are here in my backyard, and I want to share with you all my mangoes. Here's actually a Nam Duck Mai. It's in a 120. Every single branch are completely swollen, and there's some are pushing out with flowers. And here's my carry in a 120. Let's climb up the ladder so we could get a better view. There's a flower bud there, every single branch. It's going to be a very good year for 2019 for the mango season. If the weather is like this, every single branch. This carry is about 13 feet tall. We do prune our trees. And here's a better look of a Nam Duck Mai. And there's a nice flower right there. This property is in Central Florida, so we're about like a month to like a month and a half behind South Florida for the mango season. And here's a quick look of the Nam Duck Mai again. And on this side we have the carry. And here's a gold nugget grafted onto a carry. This right here is pushing out. Every single branch. And as the tree gets older, it keeps on producing more and more and more. And here's my Dupa Saigon. This is my Rosa Goat. It's in a 65-gallon container. All these right here are flowers. And here's a better view. And here's a Brahmkey Mew. This is a fruit punch. This is a Tong Bicong mango. This is a Okrong. This is a Quinyi. This over here is a Maha Chinook. On this side is another Maha Chinook. This one over here is an Edward. We have a Venus. This is a Katchu. This is a Cat Hollock. This is a OBO mango. And this right here is a Jakarta. It's in a 25-gallon container. And it's approximately 10 feet tall. And over here is another Namdok Mai. And this is a Maha Chinook grafted onto a Namdok Mai. It's still very green. It's fixing to push out. This graft has been on this tree for 2 months now. This right here is a Graham in a 120. This is a Malika. This is a Corbado. It's all in bloom right now. The buds are all swollen up, fixing to push out. Another fruit punch. Orange essence. Bombay. Sweet tart. We have Providence. Orange sherbet, buttercream, 015, M4, Little Gem, ice cream, Some of my grafts. This is a Maha Chinook. This is a K3. Seacrest. Siamese. Gold Nugget. Valencia Pride. Some of my grafts. This is the side tongue. Phoenix. Sweet Tart. This is Juliet. There's a whole bunch of flowers on it. Carla C12. This is a Valkyrie. Sunrise. There's blooms on it. This is just some of the varieties we have here in my backyard. It's just my playground. And then we have jackfruits. Here's approach graft. This is a seedling. And here's approach graft to a red jackfruit. And here's one over here. There's another red jackfruit. This is the TMR. It's approach graft. And right there, it's a flower. And we have both red jackfruit over here. This is a black gold. This here is a My One. It's already flowering. These right here are male flowers. And it's in a 25-gallon. We have some Thai guavas here. This is a NS1 jackfruit. This is a Edgar mango. This is my grafted avocado. This is my sunrise. This tree, it was really neglected. So I chopped it down, try and get more branches out instead of just growing one limb straight up in the air. But you know, it's looking nice, pushing out new leaves. This is my R&1 jackfruit. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching Southern Spirit for Life. I'll catch you next time.